Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen organization with the Tourdeus Pop Container 4-piece airtight food storage set. If you're someone who values keeping your pantry neat and your food fresh, this might just be the best pop-top container solution on the market. The Tourdeus Pop Container Set promises to revolutionize your kitchen storage game with its stackable, airtight containers designed for optimal food preservation. This set includes 4 different sizes: 1.3 QT, 2.1 QT, 2.9 QT, and 3.5 QT. Catering to various storage needs from spices and snacks to flour and cereal. Each container features a 1-button pop-up lid that ensures airtight closure, keeping your food fresh and protected. Made from BPA-free as material, these containers are safe for storing both dry goods and liquids, meeting FDA standards. The one-hand operation makes them effortless to open and close, while the transparent design allows easy identification of contents. Plus, they're dishwasher safe. These containers excel in maintaining freshness thanks to their airtight seal. The lids pop up with a simple press of a button, ensuring a secure closure that keeps moisture and air out. Whether you're storing pasta, rice, snacks, or even pet food, the Tourdeus containers come in handy with their varying sizes. The largest size, 3.5 QT, is perfect for bulk items like flour or cereal, while the smaller sizes are great for organizing spices or nuts. The stackable design not only saves space but also enhances kitchen organization. The clear containers allow you to see the contents at a glance, eliminating the need for guesswork or rummaging through cabinets. To wrap up, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen storage with containers that combine functionality, durability, and style, the Tourdeus Pop Container 4-piece airtight food storage set is definitely worth considering. It's a reliable choice for keeping your pantry organized and your food fresh. Thank you for tuning in to today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. See you next time.